Hello once again, and it's Chris Kane from the Fast Teamwork. And today we're gonna play Cat Mario. I can't find the original version, but I can only find this Chinese version. Okay, I didn't play it before, okay? And I just only watch people play about it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'll try it. Let's try. Mm, yeah, we're doing it. Oh no, bad block. That's one life. Next life. Yep. Let's get the block. Oh no. That was close. Oh, it is so slow. How did you get me? That's impossible. These little white things are crazy. Don't get any. Whoa. That was close. It's bouncy. Oh, you answered this? Wait, what's happening? Neil Armstrong? Well, one more life and I'm dead. Let's do this like a boss. Good. Wait, this -1? Okay. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Whoosh. Almost. Wait. We're gonna do this. Wee. Yeah. I got that. Yep. Wait. 中间. That means by middle in Chinese. Yeah. Let's get this. Oh yeah, the star. That was a trap. That's a trap. Oh, Yuska! Well, that was close. Yay, we got a coin. Let's go. What? What are you doing? How am I supposed to get out now? Well, there's one choice left. Suicide. This game is impossible. YOLO. Ah! Shush, we're gonna do this. Jump, slowly jump. Good. Don't hit it. We've got a block. Yeah! Oh yeah. We're gonna get cookies, come on. Yeah. That was close. No. Drop down. Drop the bush. Right at this moment, I have -11 lives. Yes, -11. Okay, we're gonna dodge this first. Too late. Sharpen yourself. Overcharge yourself. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Get down. Yeah. This. Oh yeah. Why can't I squish them? Why can't I squish? We need. Oi! Oi! Yeah. What? The cloud? Are you serious? Oh yeah, everything is trophy in this game. Nearly. Why did I fall in here? Bye bye. Be careful until they walk away. Wait. Wait. Good. Time to go. Yep. Whoa. Aye. We won. What? Why won't you let me go to the goal? Why? Why? Hey, we, we, your win! I always get into this. How am I supposed to escape? Let's go. Yup, 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 yup. Ah! Okay, we're gonna do this. Get these white circle things off first. Get up. Get up! Don't let the cloud hit you. That's what I forgot. Jump. Jump. Yes. You. Freaking. You banashki malas tu. We're gonna do this. Jump. Jump. Another jump. Yep. We're gonna do this. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah. Taste of victory is in my hands. I thought jumping on them worked. Bye bye. Fall. Boss. Yep. Yep. Clip. 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 Well, I quit. Well, that's it for now. This is Chris Cracking. Tune in for more. See ya.